guys, it's Sydney with Tea for the Soul, and today we're doing this super fun video that has been highly requested, and it is called What is in My Bag. I think this is a super fun video because we all, let's be real, like to know everyone's personal life, what they, do behind the scenes. So I think this is gonna be a really fun video. So let's just get right to it. Okay, so let's see. Phone, obviously, duh. I've got a pair of sunglasses, just in case. Keys, obviously, and then let's get to the more fun stuff. I've got deodorant because we just gotta stay fresh, and perfume, and lotion. I think these are essentials to have, just if you're on the go a lot and, you gotta freshen up. And then I have some makeup stuff. I keep a lot of my makeup in my makeup bags, but these don't fit. But I always have my makeup bag with me, especially with this job. So I carry like my eyeshadow palettes and this fun little contouring palette in here. I don't know, and it just fills up my purse a little more, so I like that. Then I've got some fun lipstick. It's this like matte lip gloss lipstick thing, super fun. I've got my wallet because I make 10 Starbucks runs a day, so gotta have this handy. And then my retainer case. Why do I have this in here? I don't know, but I do. I wear a retainer at night because I've had braces and Invisalign and all that good stuff, so not super glamorous, but we're being real here. And then I don't have a ton of stuff in here. Last but not least, I guess I have gum. Because like I said before, we gotta keep fresh. If we're talking to people all day, we don't wanna have that coffee situation happening. So yeah, I just have some really random things in here. I think it's fun to just like see what everyone like carries around with them. It's pretty basic stuff, but I don't know. That's what's in my bag. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fun videos in the future, and we'll see you in the next one.